Hello students, now I am going to explain the chapter that is tables and shares. In that half part completed, now I am explaining the remaining part. Here see, seashells. Dhruv lives near the sea. He thought of making necklaces for his three friends. He looked for seashells the whole day. He collected 112 seashells by evening. Now he had many different colorful and shiny shells. Here see. Dhruv lives near the sea, so he collected 112 seashells. There's colorful, different colorful seashells. He want to make three necklaces for three friends. Each necklace, I'll make a necklace of 28 shells. 28 shells needed to make one necklace. Here we have 112 seashells. 112 minus 28, how much? In this 112, Dhruv take 28 shells to make one necklace. So 112 minus 28. 84. From these 84, again he took another 28 shells. Why? Because to make another necklace. So 84 minus 28, how much? 14 minus 8. Now 56 shells we have. For these 56, he is taking another 28 shells to make another necklace. 56 minus 28, 28. These 28 another we can take at that time. That means with these 112 seashells we can make 4 necklaces. Listen, 112 seashells we have, 28 shells make one necklace. That's why first he took 28 seashells to make one necklace. If he took 28 from 112 means he left 84. From these 84 he took another 28 to make necklace. Now 56. From 56 he took another 28. Now 28. With this 28 he can make another necklace. Total 4 necklaces Dhruv can make with 112 shells. Next, they gave some questions. Kannu made a necklace of 17 seashells. With 17 seashells, Kannu made a necklace. How many such necklaces can made using 100 seashells? Kannu has 100 seashells. With these 100 seashells, how many necklaces? For one necklace, the Kannu is using 17 seashells. So 100 minus 17, how much? 83. Okay. 83 minus 17, how much will come? 66. From this 66, 66 minus 17, how much will come? 49. From this 49, if we take 17 means how many will come? 32. 32 minus 17. 15 is coming. That means if he took 17 seashells from 100, remaining 83 is there. He took 17 from 83, remaining 66 is there. 17 from 66, 49 is there. 17 from 49, 32 is there. From 32, 17, 15. These 15 are unused. If we have another 2 means we can prepare one necklace. But with 15 seashells, Kannu can't prepare necklace. So total how many necklaces he prepared? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 necklaces and 15 remaining seashells. Next, one cotton can hold 85 soap bars. Shelly want to pack 338 soaps. How many cottons does she need for packing? Total 338 is there. One cotton can hold 85 soaps. So 335 minus 85. How much? 338 minus 85. 253. 253 minus 85, how much will come? 168. 168 minus 85. 83. With this 83, cotton not completed. One cotton holds 85. So 1, 2, 3. 3 cottons are holding completely and 83 remaining soaps. Next, Manpreet wants 1500 sacks of cement for making a house. For making a house, 1500 sacks he need. But one truck carries 250 sacks. At that time, 1500 minus 250, 1250. 1250 minus 250, 1000. 1000 minus 250, 750. 750 minus 250, 500. 500 minus 250, 250. 250 minus 250, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 trucks carries. Here's it. Total 1500 sacks of cement for making a house. One truck carries 250 sacks. One truck 250. So how many trucks will come like that? 6 trucks. This is one type of pattern. Suppose 1500 by 250. See, 25, 6, 150. 6 trucks. Directly we can do the division, but in this pattern we should learn first. That's why I am saying in this pattern. Next, 6 common. A driver charges 500 rupees for one trip. For one trip, 500 rupees. Here, how many trips he should go? 6 trips. So for one trip, how much money? 500 rupees. For 6 trips, 6 into 500, 3000 rupees. Okay. Next, Gangu is making sweets for ID. He has made a tray of 80 laddus. Gangu made 80 laddus and please pack 4 laddus in a box. 4 laddus in one box. Like that, how many boxes we have? 23 small boxes. In 23 boxes, each box 4 laddus. So how many boxes we have here? 23 boxes. 23 boxes means how many laddus will come here? 92 laddus we can fill in 23 boxes. But how many laddus we have? Only 80 laddus we have. How many more sweets we need to complete the 23 boxes? 92 minus 80, 12. Another 12 laddus we want to complete the 23 boxes. Okay. Gangu also has a bigger box in which he packs 12 laddus. How many boxes does he need the packing? 60 laddus. Gangu has another bigger bag. In that bag, we can pack 12 laddus. In one pack, we can pack 12 laddus. At that time, total how many laddus we have? 60 laddus. In one pack, 12 laddus. At that time, 60 by 12 for 5. In 5 packs, we can fill this 60 laddus. Okay. Neelu brought 15 storybooks to her. Total 45 students are present. How many children will need to share one book? 15 books only we have with us. Total students 45 students. 45 students should share these 15 books. 15 books. 15 ones, 15 threes, 45. 3 students should share one book. 3 students, one book. 3 students, one book. Like that. 15 books, 45 students should share this. A family of 8 people needs 60 kgs of wheat for 1 month. One family sharing 60 kgs of wheat. In that family 8 people they have for 1 month. How much wheat does this family need for a week? 1 month means for 1 month how many weeks? For 1 month 4 weeks. 4 weeks they are using 60 kgs. For 1 week how much they will use? 60 by 4. 15 kgs they will use. Once again I am explaining. One family they are using 60 kgs per 1 month. 1 month means for 4 weeks they are using 60 kgs. For 1 week how much they will use? 60 by 4. 15 kgs they will use. Razia wants change for 500 rupees. Razia wants change for 500 rupees. In change for 500 rupees means we can give change in hundreds, 50s, 10s, 20s, like that. Here in 100 rupee notes, how many 100 rupee notes will come for 500? 500 rupee notes. 500 by 100. 100 notes. If 5 they give means 500 rupees. For 50 rupee notes, how many will come? 10 50 rupee notes. And 20 rupee notes, how many will come for 500? 25 20 rupee notes will come. Next, how many 5 rupee notes will come? 100. Once again I am saying 500 rupees should give change in 100 rupee notes. So 500 by 100. 5 notes will come. We should give in 50 rupee notes. 500 by 50. 10 notes. 520 rupee notes. 500 by 20. 25 notes we need to give 20 rupee notes. 5 rupee notes. How many 5 rupee notes we should give for 500 rupees? 100 notes we should give. You have to distribute 72 tomatoes equally in 3 baskets. 72 tomatoes we should give in 3 baskets. That's why 72 by 3. 24. 3 to 6 and 3 4 12. 24 tomatoes in each basket. Total 72 tomatoes we have. We should distribute to 3 people. That's why 72 by 3. Next, there are 350 bricks in hand cart. 350 bricks in hand cart. Bindu found the weight of a brick is 2 kgs. One brick weight is 2 kgs. Then what is the weight for 350 bricks? 350 into 2 kgs. 700 kgs. Total weight of all bricks is 700 kgs. Next, division method. Already we know the one method, and another method I am explaining here. See, 5 times are 50. Now we are getting 20. So 5 fours are 20. Or we will get 10 plus 4, 14. 14 5s are 70 only, no? Like that we can do. Normally if they gave like this 70 we should do with 5 only, but in another method 70 with 5. 5 5s are 25. At that time 45. plus 7 6 are 30. 15. 5 3 are 50. So 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 3 14. Like that also we can do. But normal method is better than these all. Try these divisions. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 1. Take 5 down. 15 in which table it will come? In 5 table, in which place it's coming? 15. 5 3s are 15. So 15 minus 15 0. 69 with 3. 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 6 0. Next I am taking down 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 0. Like this we can do the division. Meera made 204 candles to sell in the market. 204 candles Meera made to sell in market. She makes packs of 6. These 204 candles she packed into 6 packs. That means for each pack how much will come? 204 6. How many will come for 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 34 will come for one packet. If she packs 6 packets, 34 candles come into one packet. If she packs them packet of 12, for suppose 6 packets 34. For one packet she packs 12 means how many will come? For one packet 12. At that time for one packet how many will come? 17 will come. If she packs them in packets of 12, 12 means comes 17 in each packet. 6 means it comes 34 in each packet. Next question. On sports day, 161 children are in the school playground. 161 children are in school playground. They are standing in 7 equal rows. How many children are there in each row? We should divide. Okay. 7 2s are 14. 6 minus 4 2. Take 1. 7 3s are 21. In each row how many members will come? 23 members. 161 children, they are standing in 7 equal rows. How many children are in each row? For one row 23 students. 161 by 7. So 23 students in each row. Here they gave Rakis in one box. 6 Rakis like this. This is the page number 131. There are 8 packets of Rakis. 8 packets of Rakis. Each packet 6 Rakis. So total how much will come? One packet with 8 Rakis. Like this, how many packets? 8 packets we have. So 8 6 are 48. Next, there are 10 packets of sugar. 10 packets of sugar. 10 packets of sugar paid 110 rupees for all packets. 110 rupees for 10 packets. Each packet 11 rupees. Next, 35 students in 7 rows. 35 students in 7 rows. Total 35 students are there. Those students all are sitting in 7 rows. In each row, how many students they'll sit? 5 students they'll sit in each row. Hari, Seema, Shinku, Lakshmi are going to Guwahati. The cost of one rail ticket is 62 rupees. One ticket cost is 62 rupees. Hari, Seema, Chinku, Lakshmi. 4 members they are going. So what is the cost of total? 248 rupees. One rail ticket cost is 62 rupees. Hari, Seema, Chinku, Lakshmi are going 4 members. 4 members means total how much money? 62 4s are 248 rupees. 1 meter of cloth cost. 1 meter cloth cost is 20 rupees. 1 meter cloth cost 20 rupees. Lalbag bought some cloth and paid 140 rupees. He bought a cloth and paid 140 rupees. So 140 rupees by 20. Total how many meters? 7 meters. 1 meter cloth cost 20 rupees. But in this question he paid 140 rupees, but he don't know how many meters. We should find the meters. So 140 rupees by 20 rupees. 7 meters. Okay students, I'll meet you in the next class.